Hello, this is Norman Patterson, the YellowJacket Expert. I'm in Torrington, Connecticut today. This is June 25th, 2024, my youngest daughter's birthday. So it's an important date. And this is a teaching moment. Maybe that's what I'm just going to start calling this series, a teaching moment. And this lady found this hornet nest the easy way. So let me show you what's going on and help you benefit from a teaching moment. Okay, she was mowing her lawn, and what she noticed was traffic coming in and out from underneath her deck. Figures as soon as I turn it on. There it goes. There they are. This is what you're watching for. They often go under decks like this. And zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's take a look. And they're kind of aggressive, so I gotta be careful. Where's the thing? Oh, there it is. Not a bad size. This is a yellow hornet nest, and they love to go underneath decks. Let me show you a little trick that you can do in this teaching moment to look for these before they get big. I use a mirror. There I am. And you could just take a mirror like this and go and look underneath your deck before it gets big. I would do this. I would do this more in right around Memorial Day. Just go underneath your deck and look, see what's there. And you don't have to bend over and stick your face underneath anything. You know, I can look very easily. So there's a wonderful teaching moment from the YellowJacket Expert. So if you have stinging insects, I only deal with stinging insects, and you live in or around Connecticut, I go all over the place. I sometimes will go a little bit into Massachusetts, New York, maybe Rhode Island, usually not anymore. I got enough business around here. Give me a call at 860-379-6078, or you can go to my website at www.YellowJacketExpert.com. You know, there's a lot of insects in there, and I'm going to resist the temptation to stir it up just to prove it. You can look at my other videos. There's a lot of yellow hornets inside of this. So somebody stomping up on the deck without realizing it would get severely stung. So you got to take care of these things. And I do it organically without pesticides, poisons, or chemicals, and these are used for sting allergy patients. Take care.